Welcome to my cooking studio. If you are new to this channel, thank you for joining me today. Appreciate your time. And you are the most welcome to my channel, and you are more than enough. Our dish for today is beef lumpiang Shanghai. It's a type of Filipino egg roll. The basic filling is composed of ground beef along with minced onions, shredded carrots, green onions, and seasonings such as salt and ground black pepper. The main protein for this version is ground beef. I also added chopped green onions, chopped red onion, and minced garlic, and to make it taste fresh. It is important to ensure that the flavor of the lumpia filling is flavorful. Let's talk about the first step. You can simply add all the ingredients in a bowl and mix thoroughly. It can be done the manual way using your hands. An easier way is to use a stand mixer. Make sure to attach the dough hook when going this route. Use ice cream scooper to portion all the lumpia mixture until you finish. This will help to keep the lumpia wrapper not to be dry. Spread the filling and then fold both sides of the wrapper. Fold the bottom. Brush beaten egg mixture on the top end of the wrapper. Roll up until completely wrapped. Perform the same step until all mixture are consumed. If you watched this far, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. I would love to hear your comments and suggestions, and don't forget to like and share. Keep rolling the lumpia, then continue rolling with the rest of the filling and lumpia wrappers. At this point, when it's all wrapping is done, you can freeze your rolled lumpia if you wish by placing them in freezer bags and then into your freezer. To cook the lumpia, fill a large frying pan or deep fat fryer with enough of vegetable oil to submerge totally the lumpia. Heat the oil over medium-high heat or until you reach the temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently place the lumpia into the hot oil and fry until golden brown on all sides. 3 to 5 minutes total. If frying frozen lumpia, it will take 1 to 2 minutes longer. Place the fried lumpia on paper towels. Let excess oil to drip, and serve immediately with sweet and sour sauce or sweet chili sauce, and that's it. Share and enjoy. Watch out for my next upload cooking video every week. Thank you for watching.